Hey, what's up, Internet? So I've finally destroyed my vacuum's plug and I need to replace it. So let's do this.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand.
Please be safe. Safety should be priority one. Electricity can seriously mess you up. It can kill you. Do not cut any hot wires, okay? So, what will you need? You'll need a replacement plug and something to cut electrical wire with, and a screwdriver. I got my plug-in off of Amazon.com for about $1.50 on sale. It's normally $3. It's more rugged than the plug-in that I am replacing, and that means it'll probably damage the outlet it's plugged into if it gets pulled on while it's plugged in. It looks like I'll have to be careful. Notice that my plug-in does not have a ground prong, just as my current plug does not as well. If the end you are replacing has a ground prong, be sure to get a plug end with a ground prong. The plug that I bought is a beast to try to take apart, as you can see here. It was a pain in the butt. Let's get started. First, make sure everything is unplugged and then size up your end. You want to figure out where to cut the wire and then cut the wire. You should have some wires showing now. You can see I will be using some of the old plug end portion that I'm going to try to reuse for strength purposes. In most cases, you'll want to thread your cord through the cap portion of your plug end, as you can see here. It was a little bit of a pain for me, but it was worth it in the end, retaining that portion of the plug end that I did. Yeah, for like strength. Gotta have this strength. After that, you need to strip away the insulation around the wires. This is not usually easy if you don't have experience with this, so be patient. You may have to recut and start over a few times. Once your wires are stripped, you can attach the plug end. Usually it's as simple as loosening and tightening a screw, but placing the wire under the screw head before tightening it, as you can see here. I probably could figure out a better way to say that, but I think the pictures speak better than me. Yeah? Make sure you're not crossing any wires and that no exposed wires are touching each other. The wire should only be touching the screw it's attaching to, nothing else. The white stuff you see here is it's puffy stuff. It's insulation. It's non-conductive. It won't be causing any problems. After you have your screws tight, button up the cap and you're done. Some caps aren't just like a snap like this one is. They have like a screw that you got to tighten down. But yeah. Note, there are many different types of plug-ins on the market and that your experience may vary compared to this one. Usually there are written directions that come with plug-ins that you buy at the store, so look forward to that if you're going to try this for a first time. Anyway, be safe, and I hope that helped.